right, I'm going to make quick videos just showing you how to do your homework over break. It'll be due the Friday you get back on January 8th. So you are going to, first off, you're going to go to Quizlet.com. So if I look at the instructions here, it says go to Quizlet.com, and you need to make sure that you're logged into your account and that you've joined Mr. Casher's class. Hopefully at this point of the year, you all have. If not, you're going to go down to Quizlet sign up, and you're going to click this second link, and you need to make sure that you hit join class. Okay? You need to make sure you do that, or when you're done with your work and you try and share it with me, you're not going to be able to share it with me because you're not in my class. So you're going to make sure you hit join class. Okay? Then you're going to go up to where it says create right here. You're going to click create. And if I look at the instructions, I go back up here, and if I look at the instructions, so I join my class. I'm in Quizlet. Most of you should have already done that. You're going to create a new set, and I want the title to be your first and last name and then the word review. Nothing besides that, just first and last name with your word review. So I'm going to put in Dan Casher review. Okay. Then you're going to go down here and you're going to create 40 vocab words over what we've learned this year. Okay. What you need to create is right in here. These are the vocab words that I must have in my list. All right. You need to have all 40 of them. Okay. Now, it's not as bad as it sounds because Quizlet will do a lot of the work for you. So if I go back here to my set, the first one is law of soil. So I'm just going to type that in. And if you notice here, it comes up. So here's the law of soil. If I click on it, and then I come over here, law of soil. If I come over here, they're going to give you definitions already pre-made. Just make sure that the definition you pick is good for what we learned in class. So the principle, pick one that you understand. This is true, but it's kind of hard to understand. If you're born in the U.S., you're automatically a citizen. Boom. Done. I did 1 of 40. Now, I did say in the instructions that you must have a picture for 15 of the terms. So it's really easy to do that too. You just click image here, and let's see. Oh, here's a pretty good picture. See, he was born in the U.S., therefore he's a citizen. Okay, so there. Got a picture. Okay. And look, what's the next one? Law of blood. So I'm going to type in law of blood. At least one parent was a U.S. citizen when you were born. Good. Okay. I'm going to go down. This is easy. Naturalization. Now, please make sure that, yes, it's great. Natural. And you do have to spell it right. It is great that they give you a definition. Please make sure. See, I typed in the wrong thing. You got to make sure. Naturalization. Make sure you type in the correct thing. So please make sure the definition they give you is correct. Please make sure that it makes sense. Please make sure that's what we talked about in class. You can use your notebooks. Or you could just use your notebooks and type in the definition, or you can use the pre-made one. A legal process to obtain citizenship. All right, great. Now, if there's a term on here that is not pre-made, then you'll need to use your notebooks and type it in. Okay, so let's see if this one's pre-made. I'm going to write down steps to U.S. naturalization. What if I type in steps in the naturalization process? Okay, so good. And then let's click image. And sure. People taking the oath of office. Taking the oath. Okay, so that's it. Again, if they don't have a pre-made one or it's not a good pre-made one, fix it. Put in your own definition. When you're done, let's go back to the assignment. When you're done, it says 35 terms here, but I changed that to 40. Make sure when you're done to share it with the class so that I can see it. So when you're done and you did all 40, you're going to hit create. When you're done, you're going to go down here. You're going to go to the set, and I need you to share it with me. So you're going to hit add, and Mr. Casher's the class. You're going to hit that little plus sign, and boom, your homework's done. Okay, so that is your homework for this week. If you have questions, let me know, and good luck. It's due the Friday we get back, Friday, January 8th.